Good morning, friends. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Students, today we are going to read new lesson, The Discontent Fir Tree, lesson number 11. The meaning of discontent means never be happy. The person who don't want to be happy at any position. Whatever they have, they are dissatisfied always. They are not happy for small things. They used to say, I don't have this thing, I don't have these things. So, this type of people we say discontent, never be satisfied. Okay, so in this story, there is a fir tree, you know. So, he was discontent, he was not satisfied whatever it has. Okay, it used to cry always for small things. Okay, so I'm going to read and explain to you. A fir tree grew in a thick forest. Okay, in thick forest मतलब बहुत broad और thick, बहुत सारे trees हो. तो there was a fir tree in that forest. It had dark green needles. Its leaves are like needles. है ना, आपने देखा ना palm tree, उसकी leaves are like needles, पतली पतली needles shape में. Its trunk was thick and straight. Trunk जो था वो thick and straight था. You can see from picture also. The wind sang a song when it moved through its branches. When wind passes through the tree, it looks like it is singing a song. So you have read the trees and about wind in the poem Neither I nor you वाला जो आप sentence लिखते हैं, तो पोएम का हु हैज सीन द विंड नाइदर आई नॉर यू वाले तो लाइन्स आपने अभी भी एग्जाम में भी लिखा था. सो बाय मूविंग ऑफ निडल्स वी केम टू नो द विंड इज पासिंग बाय. So one day it looked at the leaves of the other trees. These had different shapes: round, oval, narrow, and broad. What happened? One day it looked to the other leaves of tree. आप होता है ना फ्रेंड्स के पास, दूसरों के पास आप देखते हो कि इसका रबर तो बहुत अच्छा है, इसका इरेजर बहुत अच्छा है, आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ इरेजर, माई इरेजर इज नॉट गुड. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ वी से discontent, dissatisfied. Okay, so when he saw the leaves of other tree, round, oval, narrow, broad, different shapes and green color, so it started discontented feeling. The first tree looked sadly at its needle and said, when it saw its needle, it started saying, my needles are not proper leaves. They are stiff and sharp. Stiff is hard, don't be able to bend, and sharp. They are not like the leaves of other trees. I wish I had leaves of gold. What he said, I had a wish of that कि I should have leaves of gold, है ना. ना आपकी भी कोई ना ऐसा होता ना, मेरे पास ये नहीं, तो आप विश करते हो काश ऐसा होता, काश मेरे पास ऐसा होता. सो द फर ट्री विश्ड कि आई हैड अ लीव ऑफ गोल्ड. अ वुड फेरी, दिस इज अ इमेजिनरी स्टोरी. सो देर आपने पढ़ा है कि ऑलवेज इन फॉरेस्ट देर इज अ फेरी. सो इट when it heard the sad words, she touched its boughs with her magic wand. When the tree saw when the fairy saw saw the sadness of the fir tree, it said ki okay, I will fulfill your wish. It touched its branch, both means branch, it turned into gold and leaves are of gold. The next morning the needles of the fir tree had changed into shining gold leaves. आपने स्टोरीज में पढ़ा है ना कि परियां जब आप कुछ भी ऐसे टच कर देती है अपने मैजिक वैंड से, तो जो आपकी विश होती है वो पूरी हो जाती है. तो इन द सेम वे द फर ट्री की विश पूरी हो गई और वो लीव्स टर्न्ड इनटू गोल्ड. इट वॉज वेरी हैप्पी बट इट्स हैप्पीनेस डिड नॉट लास्ट लॉन्ग. इट वॉज हैप्पी बट उसकी हैप्पीनेस ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चली. Why? Let us read. A robber came and started plucking all the gold leaves from the fir tree. When you saw gold leaves on any tree, you start plucking it. है ना, सबको लालच आ जाता है कि अरे गोल्ड की लीव से हम तो उसको चोरी कर लेते हैं. So in the same way, robber was moving in the jungle, forest. it started plucking all the golden leaves. The fir tree begged. Begged means उसने बोला, please, please, don't take my gold leaves. The robber replied, I will sell the leaves and buy food for my family. Then he ran away with all the gold. He took all the golden leaves and ran away. No, I will sell these golden leaves and I will get money to buy food for my family. The fir tree started weeping. फिर से वो cry करने लगा. It looked ugly without the gold leaves. Ugly means not beautiful. ठीक है, opposite of beautiful. It sobbed. जैसे करते हैं ना, उसको sobbed बोलते हैं. It was weeping and sobbing. So again the fairy heard it wished, I wish I had sparkling gold glass leaves. Now अब उसकी wish क्या थी कि इसकी leaves जो है glass की हो जाए. Why? Because it will shine in the sunlight. Glass के ऊपर sunlight पड़ती है तो वो shining करता है. So I will look more beautiful in light. Okay. Now again the fairy heard the wish and said she touched the boughs of the fir tree, and once more with her magic wand, the next morning the fir tree was covered with sparkling glass leaves. Sparkling means shining glass leaves. The animals and birds of the forest looked at it with wonder. All are looking at with this wonder how it was possible. Leaves are of glass and it is shining in the sunlight. All are in wonder. Alas, its happiness did not last this time either. अभी भी इसकी happiness क्या है, वो नहीं टिकी. Why? Because इतनी सुंदर leaves भी कोई भी तोड़ देगा. और ग्लास का तो आपको पता है, it break very easily. A stormy wind started blowing through the forest. आपने वो लेसन में पढ़ा था ना, जब स्मूथ और काम विंड ब्लोज करती है तो ट्रीज बो देयर हेड, और जब स्टॉर्म और स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड ब्लो करती है तो दे फेल डाउन, है ना. सो ऐसी स्टॉर्म तूफान वाली विंड स्टार्टेड ब्लोइंग इन द फॉरेस्ट. इट ब्लू सो हार्ड दैट ऑल द ट्रीज started shaking violently. It was so powerful that trees are moving very violently. Crash! All the sparkling glass leaves of the fir tree broke into small pieces. All the glass leaves of the tree fell down and broke. It was ugly and leafless again. फिर से वो ugly हो गया and no leaves are on the tree. So it was not looking beautiful. It wept loudly. अब फिर से वो loud कर रहा है, loudly noise में वो crying कर रहा है. The cruel wind has broken all my leaves. The cruel means opposite of kind, है ना. उस जो है wind ने मेरी सारी leaves तोड़ दी, ना. What shall I do? I wish. अब again it is asking for wish. I wish I had broad and smooth green leaves. अब मेरे पास कैसी हो, ब्रॉड मीन्स चौड़ी और ग्रीन लीव्स हो, सुंदर सुंदर. देन आई विल बी कंटेंटेड एंड हैप्पी. कंटेंटेड मीन्स सेटिस्फाइड एंड हैप्पी. सो डिसकंटेंट मीन्स अपोजिट ऑफ कंटेंट, डिससेटिस्फाइड एंड अनहैप्पी. एंड ऑलवेज थिंकिंग फॉर समथिंग टू गेट फॉर हैप्पीनेस. द वुड फेरी heard its sobs again and granted its wish. उसने फिर से उसकी आवाज़ सुनी और फिर से उसको विश दे दिया, उसकी फुलफिल कर दी. अब उसके पास कैसे हो गए, ब्रॉड बड़े बड़े पत्ते एंड ग्रीन कलर के. द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द फर ट्री हैड ब्रॉड एंड स्मूथ ग्रीन लीव्स. इट वॉज फुल ऑफ जॉय. अब वो बहुत खुश था. वॉट ब्यूटीफुल लीव्स आई हैव. रॉबर्ट्स, अब तो रॉबर्ट्स वोंट स्टील देम. Cruel wind, strong wind can't break them. Now I will be happy forever. Forever means हमेशा के लिए. Suddenly there was a noise of bleating in the forest. Bleating means sound of, जो आपकी sheep और ये goat वगैरह जब group में चलते ना तो they make a sound that is called bleat. So suddenly it heard the sound of bleating. It means some animals are coming towards it. 3 billy goats were wandering in the forest. Billy goat means male goat. were forest and looking for something to eat. They were looking here and there to eat something. They saw the broad, soft green leaves of the fir tree. Suddenly they saw the broad green leaves of the fir tree. They came near to it and started eating its tasty leaves. Now when they saw big leaves, they come to fir tree to eat it. Ouch, ouch, Billy goats, please don't eat my leaves. I want everything to admire them. Please don't eat my leaves. I want everybody come and admire means like करे. They come and like my leaves. Don't eat it. The Billy goats replied, we are very hungry. We will eat them all up. They ate up all the leaves of the fir tree. Then they walked away. है ना, उन्होंने उसका नहीं सुना और they ate all the leaves. Ate, you know, past tense of eat. The fir tree wept again. Again it started crying. He was not happy anytime. It said to the wood fairy, I don't want any green leaves. Now I don't want any beautiful leaves. I will never be unhappy and discontent. I promise you, I will not be unhappy and discontent. Okay? अब मैं हमेशा खुश रहूँगा in any situation. Okay? I don't want gold leaves. No, I don't want gold leaves. I don't want green and broad leaves. I don't want any grass leaves. Please give me back my green needles. So now he is saying कि इससे तो मेरी green needles से अच्छी थी. Nobody is taking my leaves. So please give me back my green needles. I will always be happy. Now I will be happy in that needles only. And contented with my green needles. और मैं अपने green needles में ही खुश रहूँगा. The wood fairy gave it back its sharp, stiff needles. और फिर wood fairy ने उसको again उसकी green and sharp needles return कर दी. The next morning, the little fir tree stood happily. Now it was happy and stood very happily, and in its evergreen needles. Okay, उसकी dress क्या थी? Always needles वाली leaves. So now he was stood happily with its proper dress. Okay. So what have you learned from this lesson? You should be happy whatever you have. ऐसा नहीं कि मेरे पास ये पेंसिल नहीं है, उसकी पेंसिल बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे तो ये नहीं वो चाहिए. अरे, you have to be happy with your own things. Whatever you have, please be happy in that situation only. Don't be greedy and demand for anything that is not possible. Okay. Then again you will not be satisfied there. So try to be satisfied in your situation, whatever you have. Okay. So the moral of the story you will have understood very nicely. So tomorrow when I will send a video, we will discuss its exercises and question answers. Okay. I hope you have celebrated Diwali very nicely and carefully and safely also. Now come back to your studies and started doing your exercises on time. And few students are very good and regular. They are sending the work on time. But few are not sending. Arav, Sanidhya, Adarsh. Try to send your work on time. Okay. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.